learning on the job. In the countryside, kit foxes have to work hard for their food, but here they have it easy, thanks to their human neighbors. Humans are messy creatures, and the aftermath provides fast food for kit foxes. The foxes are primarily hunters, preferring rodents to burgers, but they scavenge when they can. Here, rats and squirrels are well fed and easy to catch. Ginger seems happy with trash, even if a more traditional meal presents itself. The kangaroo rat was once the fox's principal prey. Fred is eager to engage in the hunt, but he's yet to perfect the act. He practices on stink bugs. These shiny beetles emit a noxious odor from holes in their thorax to discourage birds and other predators from eating them. Still, they make good target practice. The first 2 months of life have been full of fun and games, with education thrown in. Fred and Ginger have done better than average. On their traditional range, young kit fox mortality is as high as 70%. For these young foxes, the threat of death is ever near. Fred's curiosity could get him into trouble. An ancient hunter is too close for comfort, a rare visitor to the suburbs. A defensive strike would prove fatal, but it's not a fox in its scope. The rattlesnake uses its tongue to locate prey. By moving slowly, the kangaroo rat doesn't notice its approach. To catch such agile prey, it only gets one chance to strike. The deadly injection is given in a fraction of a second, but its effects are fast and fatal. Centimeter fangs have pumped venom deep into the rat's body, attacking its nervous system and bringing paralysis in minutes. Only once dead, the snake follows the direction of the fur to the head. Swallowing head first prevents limbs from catching in its throat. Fred interrupts at just the wrong moment, when the snake's defense weapons are tied up, but he gets an angry warning. Fred needs to keep his head down. It's not easy in Bakersfield. Danger seems to lurk at every turn.